Fire-breaking news. A jaw-dropping $500 billion mega investment from Apple is set to reshape America's tech industry. This is the biggest U.S. investment in Apple's history, and it's happening now. Collision Apple CEO Tim Cook has just shocked the industry with an unprecedented announcement. An expansion so massive, it will create thousands of jobs, revolutionize AI, and bring a wave of innovation across the United States. This move is Apple's boldest statement yet in the global tech race. It's about to send shockwaves through Silicon Valley and beyond. Stop sign, what's coming? Backhand index pointing right, a colossal new manufacturing plant in Texas. Backhand index pointing right, doubling the U.S. Advanced Manufacturing Fund to $10 billion. Backhand index pointing right, a high-tech Apple Manufacturing Academy in Michigan. Backhand index pointing right, billions pouring into AI and silicon engineering. This is not just another corporate expansion. This is Apple rewriting the future of American technology. Lightbulb, Texas, to become Apple's powerhouse. Apple is setting up a 250,000 square foot state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Houston, Texas, a game-changer for the U.S. tech scene. This plant will be dedicated to producing high-security AI-powered servers for Apple Intelligence, Apple's newest AI ecosystem. Magnifying glass tilted right, what makes this factory a must-watch? It's bringing cutting-edge AI-driven infrastructure right to America's doorstep, reducing reliance on overseas production. Rocket, this $500 billion move, is a direct response to the global AI race. Apple is ramping up AI innovation and silicon engineering, investing billions into next-generation technologies. With AI rapidly becoming the future, Apple is positioning itself as the leader in high-performance computing, data security, and advanced cloud systems. Warning, but wait, there's more. Apple's AI revolution isn't just about iPhones. It's about powering the entire tech industry. Their private cloud compute system is set to redefine AI security, creating an ultra-secure, ultra-efficient, high-performance AI infrastructure like never before. Building construction, Apple is taking over America's manufacturing industry. Apple isn't stopping at Texas. This expansion is nationwide. Here's where the impact will be felt the most. Round Pushpin, North Carolina, Iowa, Oregon, Arizona, and Nevada data center expansion. Fire. Round Pushpin, Michigan, brand new Apple Manufacturing Academy, training the future of tech. Laptop computer. Round Pushpin, Arizona, advanced Apple silicon production in TSMC's Fab 21. Factory. Loudspeaker, Tim Cook's explosive statement. We are bullish on the future of American innovation. This $500 billion commitment will create jobs, fuel AI advancements, and strengthen America's global tech dominance. Eyes the biggest reveal. Apple's first-ever self-designed cellular modem, the Apple C1, will be a game-changer in connectivity, and it's just the beginning of a new era of tech breakthroughs. Direct hit Apple's massive hiring spree. Briefcase, 20,000 new high-skilled jobs are coming. The majority of these jobs will be in AI, silicon engineering, R&D, and software development. This is one of the biggest hiring booms in Apple's history, promising long-term economic growth for thousands of American workers. Loudspeaker, and that's not all. Apple is investing millions into education, partnering with top universities and institutions to create the next generation of AI and tech innovators. Rocket, what does this mean for you? Moneybag, massive job opportunities. Lightbulb, AI innovations at your fingertips. Building construction, a manufacturing boom across America. This isn't just an investment. It's a revolution in American technology. The battle for AI supremacy is on, and Apple is making its move. Loudspeaker, what do you think about this massive expansion? Is Apple securing America's tech future? Let us know in the comments. Fire subscribe now to stay ahead of the biggest financial and tech news that shapes your future. Hit that like button and turn on notifications so you never miss a breaking update. Rocket.